I know what you're thinking. Why is Steve telling me that this is a good time for buyers right in the middle of the best sellers market we've had in a very long time? Well, give me a few minutes and I'll see if you agree or not. So you're thinking about buying a home. This could be your first home, or maybe your needs have changed and you're selling your current home and buying one that meets those needs. But given that we're in the middle of a very good seller's market, you may be trying to decide if you should buy now or wait a year or so to make that purchase. Well, even in this seller's market, you just need to ask yourself two questions to help make that very important decision. One, do I think home values will be higher a year from now? And two, do I think mortgage rates will be higher a year from now? Now, from a financial standpoint, if you answer yes to either of these questions, you should strongly consider buying now. Now, if you answered yes to both of those questions, you should definitely buy right now. Now, a little disclaimer. Nobody can guarantee what home values or mortgage interest rates will be in a year, as there are still many unknowns with the effect of the pandemic on our economy and what government may do that'll affect both the housing market and interest rates. But we know what the market is like today, and we do know that economic experts expect mortgage interest rates to rise, and home values are expected to appreciate rather nicely over the next year. Now, I'm going to use numbers for where I live in Lomita, but these concepts work just about everywhere. If you want exact numbers for your area, contact me. I'll send you a free report. So, the median estimated home value in Lomita right now is $796,000. That's up 12.65% from a year ago. Now, experts expect home values nationally to go up about 5.9%. Now, our area usually does a bit better than the national average, but I'll use that number as a conservative appreciation value. Also, economic experts expect interest rates to rise about 0.25% from the current 2.92% to 3.17%. However, it's likely that it could even be slightly higher than that. Now, just using those two numbers, let's look at why it's a bad idea to wait another year before buying. So, home values in Lomita are at $796,000. If they go up 5.9%, they'll be at $842,964 in 1 year, an increase of appreciation of $46,964. Now, if you own that home this year, you gain that as equity. That's your money. You can potentially pull out of the home either when you need it or, of course, when you sell. Now, while we are looking at prices, let's talk about qualifying for that purchase. If you just barely qualify for that $796,000 home today, will your income go up enough in a year to qualify for $842,926, or will you be buying less of a house in a year? Let's also look at down payment. You'll need an extra $2,346 for the down payment in a year. If you're already stretching it thin to come up with the current down payment, will another $2,300 be easy to come up with? Then there's the monthly payments. The $796,000 home at 2.92% interest will have a monthly principal and interest payment of $3,156. While in a year, that same home at $842,926 and at 3.17% will have a principal and interest payment of $3,450, or $294 more each month. That's $3,528 more a year. Now, I don't know about you, but I would rather spend that $3,500 every year on nice things for my family, like a vacation or things that go into that home. And don't forget, property tax is based on home value. Now, based on 1.25% tax base, in 1 year, you'll be paying $586 more in property tax every year than if you bought it today. So to sum it up, here's the financial impact of waiting 1 year to buy a home. You pay an extra $46,926 for the house. You need an additional $2,346 for a down payment. You pay an extra $294 a month in mortgage payments, or $3,528 a year, or $105,840 over the life of the loan. You pay $586 more per year for property tax, and you don't realize that $46,000 of equity that built up. So, yes, there are more things to consider when buying a home than just the financial impact right now. But if you find that home that meets your needs, buying now makes much more financial sense than buying next year. Now, if you need some help working out some numbers or just have a real estate question, contact me so I can help. Bye for now.